Namaskar. Please join with me for next 10 minutes. We will do some exercise, asana and pranayam, especially for thyroid. If you don't have any problem, but prevention is better than cure. So get up early in the morning. First to drink warm water. It is very helpful. And then do some warm-up exercises. Jogging, skipping, or only movement of hands and legs. After that, do some asanas. First asana is Bhujangasana, the cobra pose. Inhale, hold your breath for 10 to 30 seconds. Exhale, down. Second pose of Bhujangasana, right hand on left hand and lift your body. Inhale, hold your breath. Exhale, down. Dhanurasana, bow pose. Ustrasana, the camel pose. Important is Sarvangasana. Heart is reverted and these thyroid glands will be washed by blood. Fold, then lift your body straight. Again fold and come down slowly. Halasana. Skandhasana, the bridge pose. In every asana, inhale, hold your breath for 10 to 30 seconds and then exhale. But after these asanas, Sarvangasana, Halasana, Skandhasana, Matsasana, fish pose is must. Center of the head will touch the ground. Take rest in Savasana. Lose your body. Think every part of your body and lose those parts. Turn to your left. Put pressure on the ground by right hand and get up. Why? Because our heart is on our left side. Now we will do 3 pranayams. First is Kapalbhati. Exhale and pull your belly once in a second. This is Mudra. is going inside. The belly is going inside. But we will do, when our Kapalbhati is correct, we will do acupressure of thyroid point. This is the thyroid point and we will press it. Primary thing is Kapalbhati, secondary is acupressure. 5 minutes on the left hand, 5 minutes on the right hand. After every acupressure, we must press the kidney point. The middle finger will touch the palm. This is the kidney point, and 20 times left hand. Kapalbhati is to continue. Right hand 20 times. Most important pranayam for thyroid is Ujjayi. Will make a sound. No. Yes, correct. Inhale, now hold. Jalandhar Badh. Exhale by left nostril. Once more. When our head was downwards, then we should do Mucha Pranayam. Inhale. Next important pranayam is Singhasan. Sit like a lion. Inhale, then exhale and make a sound. Take out the tongue. Omkar. Om, O-H-M. O will start from the navel and it will go upwards through our 7 chakras. And if we touch like this, our chest, then we can feel the vibration. Lifestyle. We should get up early in the morning. We should go to sleep early because the sun relates our body. We should try to live stress-free life. We should not drink cold drinks, cold water. Warm water expands, cold contracts. We should avoid plastic containers. We should cut down use of tea, coffee. We should switch over to foods like dal, roti, rice, coconut, fresh seasonal fruits, fresh seasonal vegetables. For thyroid, we should do massage. Before going to bed, take few drops of walnut oil, which is easily available online. Take it and then first rub outwards and then upwards, and then rotate, opposite. If you don't get walnut oil, then onion juice you can also use, but walnut oil is better. Thank you. Remain happy, healthy, smiling and stress-free life.